Hi, good morning. I am Ashish Nima and I am going to deliver you lecture on topic singularity function, in which in previous class we discussed about unit impulse function and unit step function with its importance. Now in this lecture we discuss about unit ramp function. We can also see its importance. Now we can see the definition of unit ramp function. The unit ramp function RT, it is denoted by RT. It is a type of function which start at t equal to 0 and increases linearly with time. So you can see the waveform and picture of unit ramp function, and you can see it start at 0 and increase linearly with time. So now we can see the calculate unit ramp function mathematically. It is denoted by RT. Its value is 0 when t is less than equal to 0, and its value is t when it is equal to greater than 0. Okay, greater than equal to 0. So you can see the waveform, it's linearly with time. Now if we can calculate the value of unit ramp function, if value is 1, then it increases linearly and its value is t. Now we can calculate the value at point 2. At that point it also increases linearly and reach at value 2, whose value is t. Now it increases linearly with time. If you increase time, its value increases linearly with time. So you can say that its value is t at any value of time. So it increases linearly with time. It is the main quality of unit ramp function. Now the main point of unit ramp function is that the unit ramp function is integral of unit step function. If you integrate unit step function, then you get the value of unit ramp function. Now you can see the formula for unit ramp function. RT equal to integration of minus infinity to t u tau into d tau. So if you integrate unit step function, you get unit step function, you get unit ramp function. Okay? It increases linearly with time. For value of 1, its value is t. For value of 2, its value is t. Now we can see the importance of unit ramp function. Now you can see the importance of unit ramp function. The ramp function is a unary real function. The term ramp can also be used for other functions obtained by scaling and shifting. The ramp function is a function which increases linearly with time. So it is used in the field of mathematics, in which our function increases linearly with time, or in other domain. So you can see the graph. In a graph you can see that our function increases at point 0 and it increases linearly according to the numeric value. So it is used in digital signal processing and mathematical engineering. It is also used in a field which is used for calculating the functions linearly according to the time and another parameter. So it is beneficial for linear application. So unit ramp function, it is basically used in signal and system and digital signal processing. Thank you.